We all know that a computer only understands machine code, ones and zeros. But how does the computer understand a programming language like Python or Java? Well, there is where the compilers and interpreters come in. Compilers and interpreters is pretty similar in structure. Both translate the programming language to machine code, but they do it in different orders. A compiler converts the high-level code to machine code at once before the program runs. An interpreter transforms every statement in the code when the program is running. Compiled code runs faster than interpreted code. This happens because the process of translating code during runtime adds to the overhead. Sometimes you can read that a language is interpreted or compiled, but in fact many languages can have both implementations. The language itself isn't compiled or interpreted, but some will call them that for simplicity's sake. But why doesn't we only use the compiled implementation? It's faster than the interpreted. Yes, but it has platform dependence because you compile the code beforehand, and therefore it also requires one more build step. The interpreted implementation, on the other hand, is more flexible. It creates smaller program sizes and often has more dynamic typing. Because interpreters execute the source code themselves, the code is platform independent.